Hey, what's going on? I think we're gonna get these motors pulled out. Well, at least the one that's bad. Get them totally cleaned up, put it on the stand, and we can start tearing that apart. It's just caked with grease and stuff, and we'll get that all cleaned up to make it a little easier. And but yeah, we'll try to get that, start taking that apart and see what the story is. We'll get those heads off. We'll check them out real good and swap them over to the other motor. And we'll get that all pulled out, get it cleaned up, you know, do the whole swappery. So let's get busy. Where's my tea? All right, you're seeing it as I am. Let's get off here. Definitely some crud built up on there. It looks like the valves are seated really nice in there. It's just, I'm not sure. What are you gonna do? Let's take a look at the cylinder. All right, I bottomed the cylinder out. The wall is just trashed. It seems worse at the top than it is down at the bottom. And there's like a mark right there where it obviously had set for. But there's a bunch of, you can see the piston washed out on the top. And there's just a bunch of buildup of crud that you can see where I scraped it off right there. It's not hard, it just come off. I'm wondering if this head gasket was leaking. So, but at least we got the heads out of the deal. And we'll go take them over there to the machine shop and have them cleaned up and checked out. And so we can stick them on that other motor. So that should work out pretty good. All right, all you big block experts, tell me what you think. Yeah, no big surprise there, but we'll get those heads on the other motor, and we'll get this one rebuilt for another project, and keep moving forward. So, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.